Very good evening to all of you. Welcome in Ravi Sir Super 50 YouTube channel. This video is mainly for tomorrow, 8 September, RBI Grade B Prelims exam. Last year, Super 50 one student got selected, in RBI Grade B. Earlier, she was preparing through the Super 50 for SBI PO, Jansi Patnaiku. If you go through Super 50 channel, on the home page, you will find a girl from Vishakhapatnam. She is earlier in the private job. Through my guidance in prelims, mains and interview, she will firstly clear SBI, and now last year she joined as a RBI Grade B. She is working in RBI Grade B, Janshi Patnaiku. If you want to take guidance for the mains as well as interview, I will always there for you guys. My number is 7503235358. Best of luck first of all for you guys. You are watching my video from anywhere in India. I was a former banker in Bank of Baroda. I am preparing earlier for the bank exam, selected for the bank. Then I was prepared for the UPSC exam. And now since last 10 years, I am teaching through the Mukherjee Nagar in online and offline mode. And since last 7 years, 2017, I am running my Super 50 Gurukul, for IBPS, RRB, SBI, RBI Grade B, insurance and all regulatory bodies. Now we will move forward to tomorrow paper discussion. Guys, a very good opportunity for you guys to score at least 50% marks, 45 to 50% marks in the GA section, because they will ask question related to banking, data-based questions, GDP related questions, report published by questions, economic survey, budget related questions, GDP predictions, current affairs like award, news selection and elections, current socio-economy, Yojana related questions, scheme related question, one or two book and author, days is also there, some of the static portion is also there. So please don't go for the negative marking in the 80 question GA. It will be very good opportunity for you guys. If we move toward the reasoning, it's a 60 question. At least you will score 50% here also. 50% plus means out of 60, 30 around, because the puzzle paper is lengthy. So just try to solve the miscellaneous question first, then go for the puzzle paper. If blood relation is there, direction is there, silogs is there, inequality is there, coding decoding is there, then firstly solve this, then go for the easy puzzle, just try to choose it, then go for the tough puzzle. English paper is little bit lengthy side, because RC is also, grammar based question is there, para completion questions are there, sentence arrangement questions are there, new pattern close tests are there, odd man out. There are 5 sentences. You have to choose one sentence which is odd man out, means 4 sentences make a story and 1 sentence is not good for there. In English, just try to read the instructions, above given instructions, what they ask. Either it is grammar related, or it is RC related, or it is close test related, anything. At last, in maths, just try to solve easy question if there is calculation question, missing series question, wrong series question, arithmetic based question, single DI or double DI, arithmetic based DI. Little bit math section is also tough, but you have to choose question in maths and reasoning. Just try to work like a bomb squad. जैसे बॉम्ब स्क्वाड का जो डॉगी होता है वो जाके जल्दी बॉम्ब ढूंढता है, तो आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन उसमें से. गाइज, आपको क्वेश्चन ढूंढना पड़ेगा पेपर में से, रीजनिंग और मैथ्स में से. जीए में नेगेटिव मार्किंग मत कीजिए, नॉट इवन इंग्लिश. जस्ट गो फॉर पॉजिटिव मार्किंग. नेगेटिव मार्किंग मत कीजिए, रिड्यूस करने की कोशिश कीजिए. इफ यू वांट एनी गाइडेंस फ्रॉम माय साइड फॉर मेंस, माय नंबर इज 7503235358. बिकॉज आई हैव BCom देन MBA विथ फिनांस, एंड पेपर 2 में मैं आपको गाइड कर दूंगा. आप खुद भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड हैं RBI असिस्टेंट और RBI ग्रेड B में. तो गाइज, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर टुमारो. डोंट गो फॉर नेगेटिव मार्किंग. रीच योर सेंटर ऑन टाइम, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्यूरी आफ्टर एग्जाम, just text me your attempts and get in touch with me. Surely, like Jansi Patnaiku, you guys also got selected through Super 50 for RBI Grade B. First of all and at last also, best of luck. Rock on. जाके फोड़ के आइए. So many students are वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स एंड जो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स नहीं है उसको सीखने को मिलेगा। तो गाइज एकदम बढ़िया जाएगा पेपर आप लोग का, मुझे पूरा भरोसा है। आप यूट्यूब के चैनल पे देखा कीजिए, कम्युनिटी सेक्शन में जाइए, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे जाइए, डेली आपको करंट अफेयर्स वगैरह मिलेगा जो और कोई फॉलोअर्स देख रहे हैं। एंड यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस एग्जाम्स, प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस, सुपर 50 इज ए गुरुकुल। आई एम ए फॉर्मर बैंकर एंड मैं आप लोग को गाइड करता रहूँगा उसके थ्रू। तो आप मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए, मैं आप लोग को आगे लेकर के जाऊँगा फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया। आप मेरे चैनल पे जाइए, प्लेलिस्ट में देखिए कितने बच्चों का सिलेक्शन हुआ है। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। जय माँ सरस्वती।